Today we are going to cover the vitiligo white patch. So as you can see, this is not the patch test. We are going to cover the whole leg. Actually, client came from all the way from Ranchi to get this vitiligo treatment done. Today morning only he reached from the airport, so we started doing it. As you can see, we are just matching the exact skin tone of his actual color. So you can see very clearly there is not even a single differentiation also, and the process is so smooth. Many of them having this doubt whether it is painful or not. Pain will be there, but it will be much more bearable. You don't need to worry about the pain so much. It's very bearable. So we don't want to make you feel bored, so we just fast forwarding it. As you can see, it's exactly covering as his real skin tone. So we did a patch test for him and it got so successful. So now we are going to go ahead with the full leg spots. And still many of them having this doubt that how long will this take to heal. Yes, so actually once you get the patch test done, it takes 4 weeks, approx 1 month to get healed and get to know the exact output. So after the 1 month, once we get the exact output, we can go ahead and get it done in the all other places where you wanted to do it. And another important questions many of them ask is, can I go ahead with the single time itself all other places of my body? Yes, you can go ahead, we are ready to do it, but it's on your own risk. Why? Because if your melanin is not in an active condition and if cannot able to accept the inks, then your efforts and money and the time, everything will be waste. So that's why we always recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. If the patch test gets successful and once you maintain it really well, then you can go ahead and get it done in all other places. And the third most important questions everybody used to ask is, can I get it done on my lip? Yeah, when it comes to the lip vitiligo, you can get it done, but there also if you go ahead with the patch test, that is best to go ahead, or if you feel like to go ahead with the single shot, you can go ahead, but the precautions would be a little more cautious. For example, if you get a lip vitiligo tattoo done, you can't able to have a spicy food for 1 month, and you need to eat the foods with a spoon and drink the water with the straws. Got it? And the another most important asked question is, so once the patch test got been done, when we go ahead with the full places of the body, if I'm having it on the finger or on the leg fingers, will that be possible? Yes, it's possible, but when you get it done on your finger places, it takes more time to heal, as well as it's very cautious to be taken care, because on the another 1 month we will require you to take the complete rest to get that healed properly. So that's another important best way to be go ahead. And many of the clients due to depression and all the stuffs, they wanted to be go ahead with the single shot on all the places, and we highly recommend you to not to do that, because when you do that, there are chances it may not gives the best output. As you can see, we are matching the exact skin tone of the skin color. There is no bleeding, there is no painful process at all. So make yourself plan like a month earlier. Get a patch test done, let that 1 month heal properly, then once the output comes, you can go ahead with the all other places. And many of them thinking that this is same like as the tattooing process, and I would like to tell this is not same as the tattooing process. It's completely different. We are the only people doing it in India. This micropigmentation's advanced technique, this is not the exact micropigmentation. Also, we are making the vegans ink colors and we are preparing the inks together to bring the best output of it. So you need to be think about it. It's not same as the tattooing process that every other artist do it. This obviously requires the special skill to bring the exact output. As you can see now, it's completely done and you can't even find the difference where that output was. It's equally matched. So our artist is so skillful and he has bringing down the exact texture of his skin tone. Bringing a color is one aspect, as well as bringing the exact texture. That's where the most art skill involved. So if you would like to get this tattoo done or vitiligo done, our contact number was mentioned on the above screen. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us. Our team will be get back to you within 48 hours with all the informations you required. Then you can book an appointment and you can come down. And this can be done only in the Bangalore branch, not in any other branches. Our Bangalore branch location address have been attached in the description. Please go ahead and check it out and do subscribe our channel for the more update. Don't die nude.